Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to...
Who is it, Martin?
Go on.
He's such a little sausage. Put that in the video.
Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're rating your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today I'm here with Jess.
Hello.
She is a friend of Doug's. This is my first time meeting and making a drink for Jess. So why don't you tell me and everybody else both of those facts?
Well, I like to drink gin drinks. I like sometimes fruity, or I love a good super dirty martini. It's like a ginger snap drink that I get to. It has limoncello in it.
Yeah.
But, you know, you're the experienced one here, so I'm open to change.
No rum, no tequila, no other...
No, I mean, I've had and, like, can... No, I don't like them. I'm gonna lie and say, like, well, they're great, you know, but no, I don't like them very much.
I like honest people, so
Yeah.
this works great.
Stop dancing with Chloe in the background. It's a very serious thing. I'm like a watercolor artist.
Oh,
I do
cool.
a lot of like painting, and I live here in Long Beach. I do like freelance work and things of that nature.
Insert Instagram here?
Sure.
Insert Instagram here. Don't lick that. I'm gonna explore your fridge.
Go for it.
Ignore those quotes, and yeah, hopefully I can whip up a gin drink that you still like.
I'm into it.
Cool. Oh, what was that? Excuse me, Martin, gotta go make this drink. I'm sure he'll...
Martin, get down.
There we go. Okay, now you get your drink. I thought about going with a little herb and berry cocktail, but as soon as I saw the sweet chili sauce, I knew I had to give that a shot. To go with that, we have 3 different bottles to play with for our main juice component, and since none of those are particularly acidic, we're gonna nab this balsamic vinegar. Maple syrup and the sweet chili sauce are both super viscous, so we'll start with those 2. Add a little balsamic, and we chose spiced cider. Those are going to rinse out the jigger and be added to our drink. We'll be using the same Beefeater 24 we used previously. Honestly, the tea or mango juice would have worked well in the drink, just have to adjust the sweetness a bit, but I was most interested in what the spice of the cider could bring to the table. This drink is not the prettiest. It definitely could benefit from a garnish of some sort, maybe a cinnamon stick, but for now we'll have to make do. Let's see what Jess thinks. You want up? There we go. Now you can have your drink.
Okie dokie.
This is
Wow,
yours
does
now.
this like have space all the way into here? Hot sauce of some sort. I think Tabasco. Tastes like almost like orange chicken or something. Like that sweet and sour flavor that would go on orange chicken.
Oh, you want some? You want some, Martin?
A little bit of like an orangey or some type of citrusy something in there. It definitely tastes like condiments.
I smell like condiments.
Like sauces. You know, and I can't necessarily identify the sauces.
Drink-wise, meh.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's not like my usual drink, but I feel like it matches like a cuisine. A cuisine, Doug. I'm from Bakersfield. We don't enunciate.
So you say you smell hot sauce, condiments in general, ketchup, mustard, relish, onions?
Relish, mustard, ketchup, and cheese.
No, I don't think so. I mean, maybe I can't taste it, but or like maybe that orange marmalade. I don't know. There's like a bit of an undertone of fruit.
Can you guess what the liquor in there is? Can you taste it at all through there, actually?
I don't know how like refined my palate is for flavors, so no. It tastes good though.
Yeah. Oh, I'm glad, because I'm not using strictly typical drink ingredients to make these things. So we're gonna start with the liquor. You said you really only do gin, and thankfully we have... Oh, we have gin!
Yeah!
Same one that we used for the episode with Doug, even though this is totally your fridge in your house.
Yeah, this is my house. This is my table. This is my chip. My protruding chip in the table.
Same Beefeater 24, the one with the 12 botanicals steeped for 24 hours. I didn't use the standard citrus as the acidic part of this. Do you happen to know what a shrub is, or gastrique?
I do.
I quick made one using balsamic vinegar, so that might be some of the fruitiness that you're tasting there. There wasn't very much of it because I know it's not for everybody, otherwise it just starts tasting like a salad.
Yeah.
Which isn't bad, but...
Shrallin.
A shrub.
Sorry, go ahead.
Balsamic's actually my favorite to make a shrub with. Kind of doesn't even matter what fruit you put it with, it's gonna taste good.
Yeah.
The fruit that I paired with the balsamic wasn't like a fresh fruit, it was actually some
Oh.
spiced cider.
Interesting.
Sort of a spiced apple balsamic shrub.
It's coming together. I'm associating the flavors.
Can you taste the balsamic a little now that you know what's in there?
I can definitely taste the apple cider.
Because there was no citrus juice in there, that usually adds the texture. Since there was the apple cider in there, I was like, that has some texture. That'll bring back some body to this drink. And there's actually not that much left to go in your drink. There are 2 sweeteners in there, sort of. 1 sweetener and 1 sort of sweet and sour in there. The more standard sweetener I got in there is amber color, rich taste maple syrup.
Wow.
Maple syrup is maple syrup is maple syrup. It's tasty. I always like to add a weird thing from totally your fridge to drinks, because what fun is raiding a fridge if you don't use the weird stuff? You can find all these in cocktails.
It's gonna get weirder.
This is the weird part. You weren't actually that far with condiments in like orange chicken, actually. Sweet chili sauce.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I was like, oh, it's like Tabasco, but it's not.
Because it doesn't have that kind of burn.
Yeah.
Since it's sweet, I didn't use as much maple syrup as I normally would in a drink, so it adds a little bit more kick because of the spice in there, because it's chili. Works with the balsamic, works with the apple, kind of. It's just more of a fun ingredient to play with. Now that we've identified the weird spice in there, what do you think about what's in your drink?
It tastes like all of those things. Very well. Is that all of them?
That is all of them.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
Does Doug want to try it?
Yeah.
Use it at my house? No, your little hairy arm will definitely be.
Oh wow. This tastes like all the other things plus that. I think that's a good guess to like orange chicken.
So guys, that's Jess's kitchen drink, where we put in everything but the kitchen sink. Remember to drink responsibly. Bye!
See ya.
That's self-conscious, right? When you said it and looked at me. I looked at you.
I think I thought it was so funny. I was like, wow, I'm
You're
so
like-
funny. Look at me, Doug. Am I funny? I was looking at you to make sure you thought I was funny. Oh my gosh. I forgot how difficult it is to do this.
Difficult.
Yes, it
Yeah.
is.
I like it.
It's like loops compared to other games.
It's because he keeps stepping. Let go. Yoshi does, I mean.
I was like, me?
Yeah, Arleo. It's hard to control.